What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Glitch Customs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom chameleon window tints for FiveM vehicles using Blender. This is a really simple setup once you know what you're doing, and by the end of the video you'll be able to create your own color shifting glass using any colors you like. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing I'm doing is opening the vehicle inside Blender. Once the model has loaded, the first thing I like to do is hide all of the collision meshes. We don't need them for this tutorial, and hiding them makes it much easier to work on the vehicle without the viewport getting cluttered. With the collisions hidden, you should have a much cleaner view of the model, making it easier to select the parts we're actually going to edit. Now I'm going to locate the window or glass material, because that's the only material we'll be working on throughout this tutorial. Before making any changes, just double check that you've selected the correct material. Editing the wrong one could affect other parts of the vehicle, so it's worth taking a few seconds to make sure everything is set up correctly. Now we're going to create a new material. Start by creating a duplicate of the original window material and give it exactly the same name as the original. This ensures everything continues to work correctly when the vehicle is exported. Once you've done that, scroll down to the Solums section in the Material Properties. Click the small search arrow next to the shader and search for vehicle_Veglas. Select it. Then click Convert Selected to convert the material to the correct GTAV vehicle glass shader. After the conversion is complete, scroll down to the Value Parameters section. The first texture slot should be your Chameleon Tint texture. The second texture should be vehicle_generic_glass dirt. Finally, the third texture should be vehicle_generic_smellspecmap. Next, select the window mesh and press Tab to enter edit mode. With all of the window faces selected, click Assign to apply your new material to the glass. Now, while you're still in edit mode, switch over to the UV editing workspace. Make sure all of the window faces are selected by pressing on your keyboard. Next, press U to bring up the UV mapping menu, then select Cube Projection. Once that's done, you can switch back to the Layout workspace, and we're ready to continue with the rest of the setup. Now, click on your window object and press on your keyboard to open the Solums side panel. From there, go to Drawables and then Load Tools. Next, click on the green triangle in the Properties panel to open the Object Data Properties. Scroll down until you find the Solums LOD section. Before you finish, don't forget to regenerate your LO disk to make sure everything is set up correctly. Once that's done, you're ready to export your vehicle. To export your vehicle, select it in the Scene collection, right-click it, and choose Hierarchy. Then, in the Solums Tools under the General section, click Export Rage Asset. Next, open OpenIV. Once you're in, click File and select Open Folder. Then open the folder where you exported your vehicle. After that, open your original vehicle folder as well. Copy the .ytd file from the Vehicles Stream folder and paste it into your exported vehicle folder. In OpenIV, enable edit mode, open the .ytd file, and import your Chameleon Tint texture as a .dds file. Finally, open the .hi.YFD model to preview your vehicle. You should now see your Chameleon Tint applied. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because I've got plenty more FiveM development tutorials, Blender guides, and custom vehicle content coming soon. If you have any questions or get stuck anywhere in the process, leave a comment below or join my Discord, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.